Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is an exciting video because I'm gonna be sharing like a PR unboxing, I'm guessing, but I got some fabulous goodies that I really wanted to share with you guys. If you want to know what they are, then please keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Leslie Nicole and I do weekly videos for you guys. They're random kids vlogs, makeup, tutorials, hauls, reviews, all that stuff. So anyways, if you like what you see, then please subscribe, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. But anyways, if you want to see what I got in this bag, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, ooh, it's kind of heavy, is this bag from Luxe Mood. If you do not know who Luxe Mood is, you need to find out who Luxe Mood is. Her name is Emily. Hi Emily, I love you so much. You are absolutely amazing. You're such a kind, oh my god, when like we talked, it was like we had been following each other for a while and I was like, oh my god, we need to like collab. So anyways, make sure you guys go follow her. I'll leave everything linked down below and on the screen for you guys. She's amazing. She has an online boutique which she does sell a lot of local products, which is amazing. If you know me, I love supporting local. I love those kind of products when it comes to knowing that it's made here in Winnipeg and it's just like to die for. But anyways, with that being said, let's get into this super cute goodie bag. But first things first, I want to take a drink out of my new mug. I actually got this past weekend. It is so good. I had no idea. I thought Contigo was my absolute ride or die, but when I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, look how pretty it is. And it's corksicle, and yeah, keeps my stuff cold and hot for hours. But anyways, that's beside the point. I wanted to mention that. Stop rambling. So first things first, we have here is this Kismet float. It is a dead sea salt soak, and it's an eucalyptus and peppermint. And there's quite a lot of fluid ounces. There's 13 ounces in here, which is crazy. So what it is used by filling the bath with warm water. Add a 1/4 cup of salt soak to dissolve, sit back, relax, remove botanicals before draining. And it's made with 100% natural ingredients: sodium chloride, the dead sea salt, magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt, eucalyptus globulus, eucalyptus, essential oil, mentha, piperita, peppermint leaves, and then it just says caution, keep out of reach of small children, consult your doctor before using essential oils if you are pregnant or have a medical condition. So that is amazing. So these people are from Vancouver. Oh, that smells really good. It's not what I expected, but like you can smell the eucalyptus for sure. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. Like, you guys, it is to die for. My amazing photographer Bella, she took some pictures for you, so I'm gonna insert them for you guys, and I'll definitely give you guys a show up close in the video. So there's that. The next thing that I got, this Lend Me Some Sugar bath bombs. They're amazing. They're from Winnipeg. Hi Carmen, hi Courtney, and they are amazing. And it's Passionfruit bath bomb. I'll insert some pictures of when I did product shots for them or promotional videos. They're amazing. These bath bombs, you guys, they make your skin feel so good, and the smell is so good. Like, I try to use these on like a special occasion. I try not to use these all the time. I mean, having a bath is isn't it a luxury? I'm not sure. But all I can say is that these products are so amazing. So make sure you guys go follow them as well. And I think the last but not least is this candle. This is so amazing. This is a Tofino aromatic candle. I'm sorry to clarify, this is all from Canada, not just Winnipeg. Sorry, I got carried away. Tofino Soap Company. And this one is the aromatic candle. It's in Illume quartz. So, oh my gosh, you guys. Look how pretty this is. It can go in my background. See, I love candles that look so nice and smell nice because I don't like to ruin them. But, I mean, I would give this totally a little burn. But It's a white candle and its burn time is 50+ hours. That's crazy. But yeah, so this is Tofino soap is the end of this little haul. I really want to do a video just showing of some products that I got, or maybe you guys aren't familiar with, you know, with the regular, you know, just supporting your local boss babes. So make sure you guys give Kismet a follow, as well as Lend Me Some Sugar, as well as Illume Quartz, the people there. And make sure you guys follow Luxe Mood on Instagram. Like I said, I will leave everything linked down below. Emily, you are amazing. Thank you so much for all these products. I cannot wait to share. I can't wait to try these products for you guys. I already know one of them is amazing. I can't wait to try this. And it'll be all on the blog. This video is just kind of an unboxing video, and everything, the review, will be on the blog. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's www.lifestyleleslie.com right here. I'll leave it for you guys. That is where I usually do a lot of my reviews. I haven't done a review in a video in a long time, but I really wanted to open these products for you guys, and I really wanted to film a video and sit down and chat and just talk about amazing stuff. So with that being said, cheers to another video. And I completely forgot to mention that I have a discount code for you guys. If you use Lifestyle of Leslie 10, that saves you 10% off your order online. So make sure you guys check out the website and you will not be disappointed. That being said, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up and like this video. I really do appreciate you guys so much, and make sure you guys are subscribed and stay tuned because there might be a giveaway coming up. But anyways, okay, enough rambling. That's it. I love you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.